For a Thanksgiving video this year, I'm going to take this pattern that I made in Inkscape. It's going to be a word art, a little desktop display that says "Give Thanks." I'll take this pattern. I've got a blank that's got some various, well, two different kinds of woods. It's got purple heart and cherry in it. And I'm going to make this. I'm going to have a purple heart base. And so stay tuned and we'll see how this is done. Got 5 holes drilled in it. This is a Pegasus number 12 skip tooth blade. This corner up here of this blank has got a little purple heart in it. There's a little purple heart on the other end, but most of it's cherry. It should be fairly easy to cut because it's only 3/4 inch thick. But here we go, we'll see. Okay, I got me another little chunk of purple heart here. I've cut it to length. It was already that width. It was a long piece. I cut that to length. Eased all the corners on it. All these, the top runnings to corners and the ends, and ran to these corners to soften it a little bit to the hand. I've sanded the bottom of this to make it smooth and level to fit on there. So now I'm going to glue it on. Well, there it is, the finished product. I'm somewhat pleased with it. I'm not crazy about it, but this was my first attempt at word art like this, my own pattern anyway. I kind of want it to be whimsical. I think it is. And if you like that, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe because I have another one I'm going to do. I'm learning to make these patterns and how to make them work on a scroll saw. And so I've got another one that's a little different, but the same idea. I'll give you a little teaser on that. I got the pattern made for it. And it's going to be a much different type of build. I'll explain that in the next video. If you want to see that, be sure to tune in. I should have it up in a few days, I hope. It'll be a little quicker, I think, than this one. We'll see. We'll look at that here in a few days. But as for this one, that's the finish of this. Hope you like it. And hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.